TruGold here with another video for you. Today we're talking about something really neat, but before we do that, if you want dope pendants like this, check me out. Send me a message on Instagram at TruGold LLC. Get you a pendant right now and a solid 14 karat chain, or any carat, it don't matter. I love 14 karat. Now, what's today's discussion? Very, very simple. It's about gold. What's the difference between white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold? So it's about the compositions and if there's a plating on it. And yellow gold is your classic warm yellow, classic, gold look to it. It's made out of alloys of gold, silver, and copper. And I have a video describing, what is 10 karat versus 24 karat. It's very balanced, durable, and timeless. It's typically hypoallergenic. It's very low maintenance, easy to polish, easy to clean, and ultrasonic is fine, and in a steamer. And its style is very classic, traditional, and vintage look. I love yellow gold. That's my style, which is very silver-like platinum look to it. And it's mixed with gold, nickel, and zinc, and sometimes copper in there. So it's pure gold, nickel, and zinc, and palladium, which makes white gold. And it's typically rhodium plated. Rhodium is very durable, so the rhodium plating is very durable, but over time, it has a higher maintenance as you might need to have it replated. It may not be hypoallergenic as nickel can cause allergies. It's most common for like modern, elegant, minimalist looks with white gold. Now it's off to rose gold, which has a soft or blush tone to it. Very soft pink and blush tone. It's made with alloys of gold and copper. So it's alloys with gold and copper and sometimes silver, depending on, the ratios that you're wanting to hit. It is slightly harder than yellow gold, as since there's more copper in it, it does add a good bit of hardness to it. It is hypoallergenic, but some people can be very sensitive to copper. So, just be weary of, what your body tells you. The maintenance is low. It may develop a patina over time, but can be polished and cleaned. So it's very romantic and trendy aesthetics with, what they use rose gold for. I love rose gold. So remember, with buying jewelry, it's about what style you want. What's your style? And the difference between white gold, rose gold, and yellow gold, is for different styles. But that is the difference of how they make it. Rose gold, yellow gold, white gold, not that it's any more valuable. 10 karat white gold is the same price as 10 karat yellow gold and 10 karat rose gold. And it goes all the way up to 24 karat. And it is totally fine. So, well, not all of it goes up 24 karat, because with white gold and rose gold, you have to have alloys. What I'm saying is the value is directly proportional. If it's 14 karat yellow gold and 14 karat rose gold, same price per gram. Always, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to have you as my forever client and me as your forever jeweler. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.